I love a good retie. I know that some people don't really like the way that it looks, but it always has me feeling like nice and crisp and fresh. Hey guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you guys through the process of what it looks like when my hair needs to be retightened, what happens actually at the retighten appointment, and then what my hair looks like after it's retightened. So remember, I have fine low density hair. This might not reflect what other people's hair looks like after they have their hair retightened, but for my hair, this is what the typical process is like. I do get professional retightens. I do not do any DIY, and my loctician uses she used the 4-point rotation to start my locks, and now she uses the 3-point rotation in order to maintain interlock my locks. My typical appointment usually lasts somewhere between 4.5 and 5 hours. If you are curious about what I take with me onto a retighten appointment, you can check out my video that I'll link below, and I also put up here that shows what's in my bag whenever I go to a retighten. So if you guys are interested in what I take with me during these long retie appointments, you can check that out. And then I do have a video about the installation of my locks in the first place, and I will also link that below in the description if you're interested in the way that I got my Microlocs installed. So also, I forgot to mention that my loctician has agreed to answer some questions any of you guys might have about fine low density locks or just locks in general. She does micro locks and traditional locks and other lock styles. Leave comments below about questions you guys would like for her to answer when she comes on for the Q&A video about, you know, what things that you might expect with having micro locks on fine low density hair like mine, or just general questions that you might have that you might have wanted to ask a loctician. She's going to be available to do that. So I'll compile all those questions over the next little while and then come out with the video in a few weeks answering some of those questions with me and her. So feel free to drop a question below if you want her to answer the question, and onto the video. I'm just going to demonstrate to you guys. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what my hair is looking like, what are the signs that my hair is ready to be retied. So as you guys can see, the edges are fuzzy looking. I always have baby hairs out, but edges are fuzzy. Also, my hair is starting to look a little bit like dirty, if you will, and that's because I wash my hair generally one time between retightens unless I can't get in within that 4 to 6 week period. And so she's gonna wash my hair tomorrow, so I have not washed it. I do have some lint spots in the back, which I'll actually put images of that up, and then let me show you guys what the different sections are looking like. This is what this section is looking like. So I have a lot of new growth coming in, though my hair is not really looking any longer because it's shrinking up. It's what the other side looks like as far as like new growth and everything. So there is that. And then I'll put a still, again, another photo of what the back is looking like as far as like the new growth and everything. I'm definitely starting to have some budding along the parts that she has interlocked up until now. And then I'm getting a little bit of budding also on the end. I will pick back up tomorrow outside of my loctician's shop and then take you guys in with me. So see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm about to go into my retie appointment. As you can see, my hair is pulled back because it was a clinic day, so I couldn't leave my hair down today. So I'm about to walk into my retie appointment, and then I will catch up with you guys once I am seated and everything. And she has about to wash my hair. So see you guys in a second. I just left my retie appointment. I'm actually here at the park with my kids, but I wanted to show you guys same day what my hair looks like before I sleep on it or anything after the retie. So this is what it's looking like. Here it is right here, the scalp area. As you can see, a lot of that like fuzziness around the edge and stuff is gone. I love a good retie. I know that some people don't really like the way that it looks, but it always has me feeling like nice and crisp and fresh. This is what the other side looks like, and then my hair feels nice and clean, and I just love it. So this retie took 4 hours. Normally it was taking somewhere around 4.5 to 5 hours, so we hit a record today. And at the appointment, if I have any questions, she will answer those, and she's really good about that. And I pick up any new products as well. The point of the retie is to interlock that new growth that I have, and so that's been done, and it's reflected in the fact that I no longer have all the fuzzies. And then of course I ended up a little bit more scalpy again, because you can see my scalp and you can see my grid pattern and everything, especially with my hair being fine and low density. Let me part the hair a little bit so you guys can see. So that's that side view of my hair interlocked. And yeah, so that's what happens at a retie appointment. That's what it looks like before and after. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye, mamas.